My name is Singham Rakesh. I am from Shivaji Rao Vallechundra Polytechnic, Asangam. I am in final year of my diploma in mechanical engineering. I have done this project under the guidance of Mr. Vipul Salu sir. These are my team members. Our project topic is eco-friendly road sweeper. Introduction. It is necessary to keep our environment clean because we get fresh air, reduce pollution, etc. In recent years, cleanliness has become an important factor for betterment of the nature. So, to support the cause, we have conducted a study, prepared a design, and working of semi-automatic road cleaning machine. The cleaning machine is an approach to deliver easy and time-efficient cleaning of road by reducing human effort. There are numerous factors of road cleaning machine, mainly remove the dust from road by using scrubber, which is operated by using machine or engine. Second, cleaning of dust and dirt by using brush. Third, collecting of dirt into the collecting tank. The cleanliness can be achieved by utilizing the all functions of road cleaner to the optimum level. The basic idea is to generate a machine which can work on the basic principle of physics using mechanical, automobile components and devices, making an assembly of the component and ultimately create a machine which can be answer to the various cleaning issues in a single unit. The road cleaner machine, the floor cleaner machine are used in a private as well as a commercial area such as hospital, bus stand, malls, floors, etc. Many of those devices require a high amount of electricity, fuel like petrol, diesel for their operation. They produce enough pollution to pollute environment. So in order to save energy and save nature, it is need to develop a low cost using eco-friendly cleaning machine. Objectives. Our study show the dirt beside the road cause uncleanliness and accidental problem. We have developed a semi-automatic roadside cleaning machine that ensure that dust and dirt inside of road should be clean. Our design purpose and successful implement the use of scrubber and brush that will remove the dust and collect it into the storage box, in which the scrubber is derived by engine which remove the dust and throw it into the part of dust. The dust is driven by speed amplification machine mechanism which consists of chain and gear driven separately. The motion of brush allowed to push and remove the dust into the storage box. The keyword scrubber, brush, speed amplification and storage box. This paper is related to design and develop the most effective machine, that is manually operated machine polluting free road cleaner. Component: wheel, frame, collecting beam, sprocket, chain, shaft, handle, base frame, supporting frame, mount and joint, screw and bolt. Here you can see these are the main feature that allow the brush to throw the dirt into the beam, collecting beam. The methodology. The market analysis to identify the problem and requirement. Selection of suitable fabrication material. Concept design of structure. Analysis of design and optimization. Start of production and fabrication. Testing and evaluation of overall performance. Presentation and report formation. Incorporation, necessary modification. The 3D, we have drawn a 3D view of our project. This is front view of the project where you can see this is the brush that throw the dirt into the collecting bin. This gear rotate this brush by using the back side of the wheel, and that gear that connected to the back side of the wheel and chain that connected to the front side of the gear that rotate the brush and allow the brush to throw the dust into the bin. This is the 3D view of our project. The working. If you want to use this eco-friendly road cleaner, the first we have to connect the hooper. When user push the cleaner, the wheel rod of cleaner starts to rotate, and chain drive and chain sprocket also starts to rotate along with it, thus resulting the rotation of the brush which is attached to it. The brush will rotate in the direction opposite to the direction of the wheel. Hence, the dirt will move forward in hooper where the all dirt is stored. So after we can easily remove the hooper from assembly and can easily dump and collect the dirt and the dust. Advantages. The machine has following as advantages. The time required for performance is less. Numbers of workers are required is less. This road cleaning machine is simply designed to clean the road which are plain and smooth, such as tiles and cemented smooth surface. Machine is simple to use. Unskilled workers can also use this machine. The effortless dirt collecting also collect the light garbage. No battery or power needed. Can work 24 hours constantly. Easy to use. Disadvantages. Need a person to operate the machine. Cannot clean away. Cannot clean very high speed. Cannot clean at very high speed. Project flow. Cleaning of railway station, cleaning of bus stand, cleaning of road surface, cleaning of college area. It can be widely used in the industrial sector. Application: municipal corporation, port, airport, cemented factory, steel factory, food industry, engineering industry, and highway. Conclusion: this design of eco-friendly road cleaning system can be used to clean any kind of road remote places, as the chain machine selected can consume much less power, so it will be power saving and cost saving as well. Also, there is no need of brush which operate automatically, as well as provides a new aids of sanitization of road. References. This reference video, you can see the video of our project that we have created. Selected from this is a link there where is a project working model of our project. Thank you.